In this video, I will show you how to export contacts from Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. You will then see your dashboard. On the left part is your menu list. On the top part, in the row of options, click on Customers and the drop-down menu will appear. Then, click on Contacts and it will directly navigate you to your contacts board. On the upper right portion of your screen, there is a Settings button. Click on it. A drop-down menu will show and you will have options for which method you wish to use for exporting. For example, export to Excel. To fully access this feature, you will need an upgraded subscription. However, there is also a 15-day free trial option available. Go back to your contacts board, click on the three-line icon next to the name and select View. Here, you can see a more detailed look at your contact information, which you can copy and use for other purposes. And that's how to export contacts from Bitrix24.